This video will cover Oncocytoma and Chromophobe RCC, the two most common eosinophilic renal neoplasms. Let's anchor ourselves. Oncocytoma is represented by these bongo drums, because bongo kind of sounds like onco, right? Chromophobe is represented by this colorful crow. Crow sounds like chromo, and the fact that it's colorful is another clue since chromo comes from the Greek word color. Let's take a closer look at the bongo drums. If you notice, they're equal to each other, regular and round, right? They're also sitting on a nest. All of this should remind us of the cells in oncocytoma, which are round, regular, and in nests. Additionally, this should help us remember that this tumor is grossly well circumscribed. Lastly, see how the two drums are connected? This connection between them will help us remember that these tumors often have a central scar grossly, just like this connection between the drums right at the center. The last thing to remember about oncocytoma is that it stains with C-kit, which is represented by our first aid kit here, just in case someone injures themselves from playing the bongo too much. Now let's talk about Chromophobe RCC. The first thing to remember is represented by this crow snacking on a plant. The cells in this tumor have prominent plant-like cell membranes. This is no ordinary crow. Take a look at the halo over it. The halo represents the fact that the tumor cells have a characteristic perinuclear halo. Let's see what the next snacks will be for the crow. Looks like it's a pack of raisins. The raisins will remind us of the raisinoid or coilocytic nuclear shape of the tumor cells. The crow is saving the best snack for last, the carrot. The carrot represents the keratin stain, CK7, which is positive in this tumor. Okay, well, we're finally going to address the hog in the room. See where I'm going with this? Have you heard of Birt-Hogg-Dubé syndrome? There you go. The word hog is literally in the name. Also, it's no coincidence that this hog is right in between the crow and the bongo drums. This is because in this syndrome you can get characteristic hybrid tumors of oncocytoma and chromophobe RCC.